Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have first derivative of y and original of y. So in this situation, we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu t equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that we have negative next to y. That's about negative number 1 in here. So we put negative number 1 go in here, and we have dt. The integration of negative number 1 dt, we have e to the power of negative t. That means we multiply both sides by e to the power of negative t. So e to the power of 2t multiplied by e to the power of negative t. So we have e to the power of t. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. So we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So we know that first derivative of y equals to first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v multiplied by u. So if we look carefully about this one, this is about first derivative of u multiplied by v. This is about first derivative of v. Multiplied by u. So if I do this integration, we have y equals to uv. So the integration of this one, we have y e to the power of negative t. And now I need to concentrate about this one only. So we can use about integration by parts. Now we need to put about u equals to t. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to dt. dv we have e to the power of t dt. The integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of t. So we have u multiplied by v minus du multiplied by v. So we have the integration e to the power of t dt. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of t, and we put about c. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. Next, this one, that's about e to the power of t. So we multiply both sides by e to the power of t in here. Now we have the conditions. That means when t equals to number 0, y equals to number 1. So I will put number 0 on here and here and here. number 1 we put in here. This one you got about 0. This one you got about 1. This one you got about number 1. So if we simplify and we have negative number 4. So I will put negative number 4 go to the left, and we have c equals to 1 plus 4 equals to number 5. So I will put number 5 go in here, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.